Hey, what's up my YouTube friends? Welcome to another multi-tool review. Alright, this is a Flissa 16-in-1. This is their Wave clone. Comes in this pouch which has a belt loop, button closure. So as I said, this is their Wave clone. Interesting. So this is about $30. I'll include a link below. And you can also check out my review of this. This is its little brother, which they also call a 16-in-1, but a different 16-in-1. This does have larger scissors than the Wave clone if you need that. But this is only around $18. Right? So that's a budget play. I'll include links to both of these and some other nice multi-tools under the video for your convenience. So the four longer tools on this are the saw, plain edge blade, fully serrated blade, and a three-sided file. So there are the mini scissors, and it also has some screwdrivers, a combo opener tool with wire stripper, and bit driver, which takes double-sided bits such as this. Now all the smaller tools lock. That is the lock. It's a lever style lock. You push that to release the tool. And when I first got this was kind of tight. I had to kind of pry it out, but that is adjustable, so it doesn't matter. Ruler markings on the handles. That's useful. Good thinking. So as you see, it is a pretty comprehensive tool set. Definitely has a multitude of useful tools. We got the non-spring loaded pliers with all the uses of pliers. Alright, wire cutters. That worked well. Can also use it to grip things. My snap-off utility knife blade. So if you need to grip something strongly for surgery, there you go. And you can use it to hold things in place, for example. Hold something in place or turn something as you need to. This is a Kershaw machete, and this does lock. So yeah, a bit driver is always quite useful. I'm sure you can find an extender for this if you look around. And there you go. Let's tighten that up. Hope you're all doing well these days. And speaking of screwdrivers, it has two more over here. I trust you all know what a screwdriver is, so I'm not going to screw some other screws, but if you need them, they are there. Alright, scissors versus paracord. So with these you basically have to apply kind of a lot of force, but you can force them to cut the paracord. Yeah, you just have to apply a bit of force. This is a useful blade shape that we've definitely seen before on multi-tools. Yeah, they gave this a good edge. I'm sure it would be fine for everyday cutting tasks and chores. You could definitely whittle with this. When I first got this, I did the old paper test. Let me roll that in. Not bad. Yeah, that actually gave you a good edge on this multi-tool. So the file can be used for smoothing out woodwork. Alright, can be used on wood, metal, whatever you need to smooth out. Could use it on your fingernails. Now another use of a serrated blade is like to saw through rope. Alright, I don't have any rope, but just pretend that this was like a piece of rope, right? See that? You eventually will saw through. Here is a saw. I've been playing around with it. Yeah, the saw works well. We already got a good notch going. It's an aggressive saw, definitely. We got some corned beef hash. Now I already actually punctured this because I was reviewing another multi-tool earlier. So we're just going to use the same can. I'm just going to show you that it's well sharp enough to puncture, and then, you know, you would work your way around. I see it also has a wire stripping notch. You know, these work better if you kind of score it around the wire like so. But let's just let it rip. Oh, it worked. Now I think this opener is a combo opener, right? Bottle and can opener. If it's not, it is now. All right, we're gonna see. Ah, there you go. Well, that was fast and furious. Final thoughts on this. Very useful, to be honest with you. I love my Leatherman Wave, but the prices have just kept climbing, and hey, when the patents run out, they run out. So all is fair. And the reason that the patents run out is to protect you, the consumer, from indefinite monopolies. It's an excellent multi-tool for the price. It would be very useful, and some things are arguably better than on the original. Like, for example, you know, that's a standard size bit driver. This is normally around $30, often on sale as well. I'll include a link below the video for your convenience, but yeah, I'm glad it exists, definitely. Its biggest competition is really other clones, right? Because, for example, BIBURY and ROCKTOL, they have their own versions of this, and I have or will review them all. If you enjoy multi-tools as well as air guns, knives, swords, machetes, tomahawks, hatchets, and all manner of cool stuff, be sure to subscribe.